So today I would like to go over the 7 different types of seeds that are available. So here are the different types of seeds on the market today. So number 1 and 2 are open pollinated and non-hybrid seeds. These are basically the same type of seed. They're just called by 2 different names. And these seeds will pollinate themselves and reproduce true to the parent. So if you save seeds from your plants, then open pollinated or non-hybrids are the seeds that you want to grow. Also, if you save the seeds from the very best plants year after year, you will actually develop a strain of that plant that will be well adapted to your yard. So it's definitely worth doing that. All right, number 3 is heirloom seeds. So these seeds are open pollinated varieties that have been passed down from generation to generation, and you can save the seeds from the heirloom plants and go ahead and grow those again. Number 4 is hybrid seeds. These are the seeds that are cross-pollinated to get a more robust plant that has disease resistance and more yield. And these are not GMO seeds. They are just cross-pollinated with the same plant species. Number 5 is organic seeds. These are seeds that are grown and processed following the USDA standards. Now, the organic seeds are grown without the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides or the genetically engineered seeds. So they can be a hybrid or non-hybrid. They can be an heirloom. It doesn't matter. It's just as long as the process of growing them is organic. All right, number 6 is treated seeds. These are the seeds that are coated with a chemical like a fungicide or a pesticide, and any seed that is treated will have the chemical listed on the package. So if they are bright pink or blue, they are treated seeds. And there are some organic treatment for seeds. I don't know of too many, but there are a few. And the treatment on the seeds is to prevent soil-borne diseases from killing your seedlings. So I don't use treated seeds. I just wait for the soil temperature to be warm enough, and this usually prevents the seeds from getting damaged by a disease. Okay, number 7 is the GMO seeds. So GMOs means genetically modified organism. And these are crops that have been modified in the laboratory. And as far as I know, a home gardener can't buy a GMO seed for their garden at this time, but GMO food might be in your food supply. So here are the GMO crops that I know of today. So we got soybeans, corn, field and sweet, canola, cotton, alfalfa, sugar beets, summer squash, papayas, apples, bananas, rice, and potatoes. So my personal choice is not to consume any GMO crops or animals that have been eating GMO crops. So I don't think enough testing has been done to determine the health effect of consuming GMO foods. So I choose not to be their guinea pig, or my family either. So as far as I know, there is no GMO organic seeds. So if you are eating organic, you should be GMO free. The seeds I choose are organic seeds, whenever possible, and I choose hybrid seeds because I rely on the heavier yields that hybrid seeds provide, and they also create a larger income for our farm. So I do save some seeds, and for those plants I use a non-hybrid. So there's 4 things that I do to have success with my seeds. 1 is decide which type of seed to grow. Are you going to grow organically, use hybrids, non-hybrids in your garden? Do you want to save the seeds from your plants? Number 2, you need to find your frost-free window. So mine is about 90 days. Number 3 is find which plants will mature a crop within your frost-free window. So for example, if I have 90 days of frost-free growing, I can grow a corn seed that matures in 70 days and still get a crop. But if I choose the corn seed that matures in 110 days, I may not get a harvest. So knowing that frost window is really important. Number 4, be prepared to cover your crop if an early freeze comes through or if your crop is late maturing. So for example, I grow peppers and they start to mature at about 80 days. And if I get a frost at 90 days, then the peppers will barely have started to ripen when the plant gets killed by the frost. So my solution is to have my frost blankets ready to cover the plants if it's predicted to go below 36. Then once the storm has passed, I may get another 2 or 3 weeks of frost-free nights so I can get more peppers to ripen. Seed selection is one of the keys to a successful garden, and combing through the seed catalogs is one of the fun parts about gardening.
If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.